Okay, this is the SPL Iron. Now it's a mastering compressor, and it has attack, fast, slow, release times, input, sidechain, EQ 1, 2, 3, uh, silicon, and anyways, this section here, reciter. This section here changes the attack times once you set it to different settings. You know, your release time, and it's a duplicate channel on here. Your mono maker, if you're just using a mono channel, stereo width, parallel mix, headroom. This gives you, extra headroom. The lower it is and everything. Anyways, they're trying to say that when this was released, it automatically became an icon that some of the top mastering engineers use. So it says it has a really nice, warm, natural sound to it. It has tube settings here, low, mid, high. Has air-based settings here. Sidechain link. Anyways, let's give it a listen to. Well, as you can hear, it gives a nice, warm, natural sound, and it has like left and right channels where you can just flick the channels. What this does again is it gives the left and right channels and frequencies, and you can flick them to hear what sounds best with your recording. Let's play that back again. Anyways, here's the threshold here, so you can just lower this and it becomes lower settings or higher settings, which will affect the VU meter, or the VU meter. Anyways, the bottom line is, if you probably just want to get some of the top gear that the top mastered engineers are using. So they're using this one as well with the SPL PQ mastering EQ. So let's bring that up, get this off, and okay, just 1 second. And they're using it along with this. Some of the top mastered engineers are using it along with this. Preview it. Mid sidechain. Well, that kind of lowers it, eh? Okay, so let's bring that up again. Okay. Anyways, to repeat myself, I mean, if you're going to do mastering for yourself, or you can do it for anyone else, you want to get some of the top stuff that the top mastering engineers are using. And these are two of the things. I have a trial on this. I got 8 days left, but I think I'm going to get it for myself because I like how warm it is. And, it might be something you like. And again, using some of the top stuff is a good thing. Anyways, if you like the video, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more plugins, mastering techniques, recording techniques. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.